Greetings, Jimmy 1985 here. Today, we'll be unboxing the Moog Theremini, designed and assembled by hand in Asheville, North Carolina. The theremin is an instrument that is played without physically touching it. It works by manipulating the airspace between the two antennae, which each have their own circuit. The Theremini is a more advanced form of this instrument developed by Moog, and it comes with presets and pitch adjustments for beginners. The cardboard box the Moog Theremini came in had a very thick feeling to it, and it gave me an impression of high quality just from the box alone. Let's start now. We lift open the top of the box here, and we are greeted with a Moog banner with the logo on it. The banner is thick, a thick piece of cardboard paper with the same classic aesthetic for the Moog logo. The other side of the banner shows a quick start guide in the same style as the box and the banner itself. I'm going to place the banner right here with the Moog logo pointing up. Now, let's get to the device. Let me take out the power cord here. The power cord is a standard power cord that you will see on a TV or computer. However, the power adapter seems to be unique to the Moog. The Theremin comes in the box wrapped in a plastic bag and cushioned with a pair of molded pulp packaging materials. As I pull it out, it feels very well made. It does not feel cheap, and it's not lightweight, but it's not heavy either. It feels like a very quality instrument that I got here. Let me put this down here, and let's pull out the manual. It looks like the registration and warranty cards are inside the instruction manual. They also share the same aesthetic as the rest of the package. This is a nice touch. So nice, it actually makes you want to keep the manual and the cards in a safe place so they don't get damaged. The manual is pretty thick and made with a nice thick cardboard-like paper. It feels very nice compared to other user manuals that feel slippery or like a receipt from a department store. This manual is even nicely illustrated that shows how to set up the Theremin and even has a history of the Theremin in it. So let's put that down here. And now you pull out this little white box. And let's put this larger box out of the way so we can see everything that came inside without any obstruction. Inside the small white box is the power adapter. The pitch antenna is on the bottom of the Theremin itself. It is secured with a piece of masking tape and a plastic hook that holds the pitch antenna when not in use. And let's take that out now. Now you put it in the hole on top of the Theremin, the designated spot for the pitch antenna to be installed. So there we have all the materials that came with the Moog Theremini. We have the Theremin, a banner with a quick start guide, the warranty and registration cards, the user manual, and the power adapter. The first impression after unboxing got me really excited to play the instrument. Next video, I will demonstrate how to set up the Theremin and how to play it. I hope you liked that video. I plan on releasing more videos using this instrument later on. Remember to live for the adventure, and thank you for watching. This is Jimmy 1985 signing off. Bye bye.